Hey guys, this time we will learn how to create an American Thanksgiving origami chicken. But it will not be a simple DIY for Thanksgiving. This activity will allow children to learn the truth about this celebration or just reconsider this celebration. The materials needed for these activities are one yellow sheet, colored stickers, 3 sheets of paper, red, orange, and brown, a pencil, a glue, a pair of scissors, and different colors of felt pen. Take scissors and cut your A6 paper into a square sheet so that it makes a square. All your sides have to be equal. You must fold your paper like a triangle and cut the rest. We're going to fold the square into a triangle, opposite corner together, like this. Do this again, turn the paper. We're going to fold the square into a triangle, opposite corner together, like this. Then take a corner, fold it down towards the center of the square paper, like this. They form triangles. Turn the square over and you want to fold this corner into the middle, like the step 3. Now unfold or open these triangles. We can see there is 4 parts because there is 4 squares, each divided into triangles. Each triangle will correspond to a question answer. I suggest you write a question at the top of the triangle and the answer at the bottom. Refold the corners toward the center of the square. You can put the color sticker on the back. Or like me, you can just color with the left pen. We are going to carefully fold the square in half. You get these little slits. I slip one figure inside, and now we got an origami turkey. With my pencil, I draw the beak and the eyes of the turkey. It's the last step. Take a an orange felt pen, draw the beak and the turkey and his eyes. Now take the orange, brown and red sheets of paper, and with your pencil you can draw feathers. Then cut them out and stick them in triangles. Now your beautiful paper turkey is ready. I hope you enjoy it. Have fun. See you in another video. Bye!